Hi ladies, sorry I'm back. My video cut out. So I think that was the limit, about 49 minutes. So I'm not sure where I got to be honest with you, but I've just carried on. I'm just carrying on and letting that one upload. So what you should have done is placed all your covers onto your black card using a strong glue or a strong score tape. Put strong glue or tape, double-sided tape around the edges of your chipboard, and then on the, you know, they're turned over now, but on the inside of these covers, and pull them down, bend them over, do the top and the bottom first, and then bring in the sides. Use your score tool just to indent those bits, but don't push it too hard that you're breaking it. You just want to ease it into place, and then your mini album will come together like that. Okay, so now what we want to do to reinforce these bits, this is what this is for, and I think that's a little bit too long, so I might chop those down a bit. So let's have a look. Take my school blade out because I don't need that. So these are 8 inches. I'm going to cut them down to 7. See how we go with that first. Yeah, that's better. So you want to cut the Tyvek at 2 by 7 and not 2 by 8. Sorry about that, ladies. So now what you want to do is score them. They are 2 inches, so you need to score them at 1 inch. Okay, so that's straight down the middle. Or you can just fold them in half. Whatever takes your fancy, girls. Alright. So I'm going to put my book up out of the way for a moment so I don't wreck it. Okay, ladies, if you get any cracking down your spine, don't worry about that, because your paper might be too thick if you're not using the same paper as me. You might have done it a bit too tight, but don't worry about it, because we are going to put some either lace or some paper over that. Okay, so what you want to do is fold your Tyvek in half and score it. Okay. So that one's not very straight. Oh. Okay, so you want that. What a mess I made of that. So now what we're going to do is add some tape on this, and you want to avoid the crease down the middle. So let me show you if I can find the end. That side. On this side. Hope I'm still recording. I just heard myself start speaking, so I thought, So avoiding that score down the middle, you just want to lay your tape the other side of the score. Okay. About 1/8 of an inch gap you want, same as on your chipboard spine. You know what I mean, don't you? And then down the middle as well. I want it nice and strong. You can cover it all if you want to move that over and do it all, you can do, because there's enough room, look. Do that. And then down the middle there. Doesn't matter if it slightly overlaps. Put a bit more down here. Can never be too careful when it comes to the hinges. There's a bit more there. The same for the other piece. Avoid your spine. You might not need to put as much as this on if you've got the 1 inch. It should be okay. And same the other side. Oh. Try not to go over like I am. I'm rushing now because I want to get it done before the video goes again. A little bit more without going onto the spine. Okay, so let's bring our book. Oh, let's get our. Give that a good burnish, ladies and gents. Make sure that's down properly. And bring back our books. And we're going to lay one piece. Now you've got your spine so you can see where it will sit. And then our cover will hide that. Actually, I should have done a bigger cover, but never mind. We'll worry about that when we come to it. So, what I meant to say at the beginning of the video is it might be an idea to actually watch the video first, if I haven't already said that. watch it first, and then if there are any mistakes as I go along, you know, we're all human, we will do it. Oh. Come off this way. That's better. This red stuff's a nightmare. And the next one. Oh dear. I don't do fiddly things, I really don't. Come on, that's it. There we are. That's one side done. Now we're going to do the other side. Much easier. Okay. So let's give it a little bend back in shape so you can see. So you want to get that in the middle. Like that. Just bring your finger up. And then that will stop your album falling apart.